This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. This 2-bedroom West/Den, 2-bath villa has been built to the highest levels of quality and taste. The split floor plan features tile throughout the main living area, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and cherry spice cabinetry. It also offers a covered lanai and a 2-car garage. The award-winning builder has created a beautiful community with lush landscaping, a community pool and spa, and cabanas for relaxing poolside. Fairfield is conveniently located near beaches, shopping, entertainment, and fine dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.